Di po kahit ano po, pwede po. Ayan, sige. Oh, yan. Okay, sabi-isa tayo ha. Kung sino makadalawang panalo. Okay, yung mga tao na napunta sa likod. Sa likod. Ayan. Sila ba sa praktika? Okay, 1-0. Okay, second round. Okay, ayaw hindi ng pila. Move backward. Okay, ilapit na lang sa group. Wala. Ayan. Ako, bawal pag-ate. Okay, winner natin yun. Okay, pila dito. Pili pa okay. Okay, yung winner po sa society. Layla. 5 centavo coin. May bukas sa gitna. Wala. Kung sino yung first two. Okay, basta sino na yung makakapagbigay. Sino meron? Okay. Pili ka. Ay, gusto ko dyan. Sino pa meron? Wala na. Okay, sige. Best na ng prize. Sino pa? Okay, kuha na. Nasa iyo po yung prize. So, that's it. Bring me na. Muna yung team laban nyo. O, sige. Kuha na lang ng isa. O, sige. Ano gusto mo? O, sige. Kaso mo first na lang. Sino pa? Yes natin. Ma'am, pwede mo tayo mag-open ng game?
Harap nyo lang sa amin, harap. Magic. Laila. Ready?
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to our birthday party. We would like to thank our mom and dad, Mama and Tita Icha, for making our birthday extra special. We would also like to thank Tito Ame and Tita Mel for celebrating it with us. Thank you also to our friends, classmates, titos and titas who remembered us. We had great fun with you today. As we grow older, we shall never forget the gift of your presence. Once again, thank you very much. We love